Hello guys. Me make burger.
Hamburger.
As you can see, me a manager. Me make best burger in the world. First we see rat. Hello rat. Second, we take rat. Like that. We have rotten rat. It's a hacker. Hello hacker. May I interview you for the evening? Sir, may I interview you?
2,000 years later.
Sir, why you hack with box? So, sir, may I interview you for the evening? Why you use hacks to fly?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That is illegal. Dot. Fresh air. Dot. Grass. Oh, I do not touch grass. Me gamer. Me show him who boss.
Money!
Good rat. There is a hacker in server. Use hack to fly. Very bad. Right. Good. Can I have the money please, Mr. Rat? Can I have the mighty money? Hooray. We make food now. That is slightly fried. Learn to make perfectly fried. Very good driving. Me hate hackers. sir, why you hack? You use Solara. You are from Olive Street. We're rich now. We make 600 buckaroos. Give me your buns. Wait, I did not mean it like that. You little. Learn to cook. Ra, you don't know how to cook. I need to teach. It's overcooked. Lean to cook, sir. Good. Oh no 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 boy, we do not do that language in this channel. Say sorry. Stop hacking, sir. Why you hack? Answer me. This is for a video. Sir, give me money. I'm almost there. Oh no no no. This is not cooked. Very bad. What? Burger meat. What? We must make tall burger. Let's make tallest cheeseburger ever.
Yay! Yay!
Yes. Best burger ever. Dot dot. Is that $1? Yippee.